Okay, Margaret, you can knock on the door. Hello and welcome to our restaurant. How many people are you tonight?
Just one.
Just one? I've got a lovely table right here for you. Would you like to sit down?
Yeah.
There you go. And here is your nice napkin. Let's tuck it in right here. This evening we're going to be serving you a lovely course of ginger, chives, hot peppers, and garlic and lime. Okay? Would you like a plastic dog dish?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. And would you like something to drink?
Yeah, I want water.
Here's a pink spoon. You would like some water, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, would you like water from the bathroom?
No.
From the toilet?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. What do we have cooking over here, Chef Ratatouille?
We have my favorite dish, the Asian burrito.
Asian burrito, how do you make that?
Oh, just with a little bit of ground beef, some lovely food.
I cannot look at it because I'm not.
What are you doing in the kitchen? Go back to your table.
I know. I don't know where my table is.
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, your seat's right here. Okay.
Who sits right there?
That's where your waiter sits, and this is where your mother sits, also known as the chef.
Excuse me.
Oh my god.
The chef actually has a cooking channel. So, welcome to my channel.
Can you hear me or not? Do you want some water? Oh, this is so fun.
Margaret.
Okay, thanks. And then we just need to get a video of assembling one. And then we're done.
Excuse me, Dream. I'm in jail. Someday we can do a lava challenge. A lava challenge in my video.
I like that idea. Okay, and that's it for the vlog today. Bye!
Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.